So in this video, I will show you how you can build this dynamic AI agent that can take both Telegram input as a text message or voice message and ElevenLabs input as a real-time conversation. And it has a personal AI agent as well with different tools. Here you can see Think Mode, Think Tool, Gmail tool. And with this Gmail tool, you can basically send emails, delete emails, label emails, do everything inside Gmail. So, and we have Tablet tool as well, with which you can basically do deep research. And there's the output as well. Inside the if node, we are basically deciding where we're going to send the output. It can be either Telegram output or the webhook or the ElevenLabs output. So before I show you how you can build this one for yourself, I'm going to quickly show you how it works as well. So in this case, I'm going to execute workflow. As you can see now, both of these triggers, Telegram trigger and this ElevenLabs webhook or the trigger, are waiting for the action. So I'm going to open up the ElevenLabs. Here you can see call AI agent.
Hey, it's James. How can I help you?
Hey James, can you please send an email to example@gmail.com with the subject hey and with the body this is Rico. And you can see it's going to send an email right now using the Gmail sub agent. And when it's done, it's going to output
email for you. Anything else I can help with today?
No, that's it. Thank you. And you can see output the message back as well. You can see the email has been sent successfully. You can see use the Gmail tool, save the memory, and use the GPT 4.1 Nano. And yep, and now I'm going to show you as well. Actually, I'm going to show you the email as well. So as you can see, hey, 0 minutes ago. I'm open this. Subject is hey, and the body is this is Rico from my email. And it sent the email to example@gmail.com. So now let's quickly make it back. I'm going to show you how you can use the Telegram input as well. And by the way, you can use these both inputs at the same time. You just have to activate the workflow. But in this case, I'm going to just hold it inactive so I can show you. So now I'm going to hit execute workflow. I'm going to open up Telegram. Here you can see now both of these triggers are waiting for the execution or the action. So hey, how much is 10 plus 10? You can see I'm going to send a message. As you can see, send back the message. And it's gave the answer as well. 10 plus 10 equals 20. So now I'm going to show you how the voice message works as well. So I'm going to execute workflow again. And you can see, hey, when is the next World Cup? As you can see, I sent the message. And now it's going to use the Tablet research tool to find information about the World Cup. And then it's going to upload back to Telegram. You can see the next FIFA World Cup is scheduled to take place in 2026. It will be hosted by the United States, Mexico, and Canada, and will start on June 2026. So now let's quickly close this. So as you can see, now I'm going to show you how you can build this one for yourself as well. So let's quickly start with the Telegram input. As you can see, I'm going to open this. This trigger triggers whenever someone sends a text message or the voice message. So pick this on message Telegram trigger. As you can see, let's quickly move on. And this edit fields node, this is where we're basically taking the source for the if node. You can see for the if node, I can see I'm going to quickly open this. I can see we have here short JSON code here, source, colon, and Telegram. I'm going to leave this down below so you can just copy this from me. Let's quickly move on, as you can see. And then we're going to send the trigger to switch as well at the same time. As you can see, I'm going to open up this switch. And you can see for the mode, we are using this rules mode. This basically navigates if we get the voice message or the text message. You can see routing rules. We have this voice file ID from dragged. This is dragged from this Telegram trigger. You can see voice, and this is file ID. Just drag it inside this box and you're good to go. And change this to exist as well. So when it exists, it's going to output this to the next node. You can see we got this file ID. This is the voice message what we sent before, and it exists, so it's going to output this. And here we have this text message, and this is exist as well. And this is dragged from the chat as well. And you should see the text message. I'm going to show this later as well. And the output name I have here this voice, and for the text I have this text. So let's quickly move on. And then we're going to use this Telegram download file so we can actually download the file. Here you can see, I'm going to open this. Here you can see for the resource, we're going to go with file so we can actually download the file from the previous node. And for the operation will be get, so we can get the file from the previous switch node. You can see, and here's the file ID. Just drag this from this voice, and file ID, just drag this inside this box. And you're good to go. And tick this download box on as well so we can actually download it as well. And as you can see on the right side, you can see the output as well. Data, file name, and there's the downloaded file. So now let's quickly move on. Here you can see, and then we're now transcribe the audio as well. So I'm going to open this, and we get the file from the previous node, and then we're going to transcribe it to text. Here you can see, hey, when is the next World Cup? Resource will be audio, operation will be transcribed so we can actually transcribe it, and input data, field name will be data so we can actually get the previous binary file, and we can actually output the text message. So let's quickly close this, and then we're going to send all the information to this edit fields node. And you can see for the mode will be manual mapping, and the fields to set will be text, and this text is derived from the previous node. So let's quickly move on, and you can see, and then we're going to send everything to this personal AI agent. So now I'm going to quickly show you the text input as well. So I'm going to execute workflow, open up Telegram, and you can see, hey. As you can see, use the different routes. So in this case, we're going to send all the information to the switch. As you can see now, this message text activated, because in this case, we're going to send the text message, and everything is same here. And you can see, then we're going to send the text message to here. As you can see, this is derived from this chat text, and just drag to here, and you can see text. Mode will be manual mapping again. So now let's quickly move on, and then we're going to send the same message to this edit fields as well, and then we're going to output everything to this personal AI agent. And then you can see now I'm going to show you how this ElevenLabs input works as well. So I'm going to execute workflow. I'm going to open up the ElevenLabs, and you can see I'm going to ask the AI agent some questions. So, hey James, please send an email to example@gmail.com with the subject important, and with the body, this is Rico.
Got it. I can definitely send that email for you. Just to confirm, the email should be sent to example@gmail.com. The subject line should read important, and the body should say, this is Rico, correct?
Yep, absolutely correct. You can see.
I'll send that email right away.
As you can see it, using the Gmail tool, save the memory.
The email has been sent successfully. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Nope. Let's close this. And you can see it outputted the message back to ElevenLabs as well. The email has been sent successfully. So now let's quickly break it down as well. So in this case, we're using this webhook. As you can see, actually I'm going to open up the ElevenLabs as well in this case. Agent James, as you can see, just create a new agent. I have this James for the name. Agent language will be English. You can change this to Spanish as well if you want to. First message is just, hey James, how can I help you? Here's the system prompt as well. I'm going to leave this down below so you can just copy this from me. And you can see, and you have to add this custom tool, because otherwise it's not going to work. Here you can see n8n test. I'm going to quickly show you how it works as well. So you can see, just click add tool and custom tool. So now I'm going to quickly show you. And you can see for the name, I'm going to go with the n8n test and use this tool to handle email sending or web browsing. This tool triggers an n8n workflow, which performs Gmail operations and returns the result to the agent. Here's the URL, and you can get this URL from the n8n. So I'm going to quickly show you. Here you can see, boom, and production or the test URL. Just copy this, navigate back to ElevenLabs, and just paste it inside here. And the method will be post, so we can post a message to n8n. You can see, let's scroll a bit down. You can see body parameters, enable this, and you can see here's the description. I have just copied this description from here. Just copy this and paste it inside here, and you're good to go. Here you can see for the properties, identifier will be task, so we can give the task to this AI agent. This will be required, and description will be the user's full request, email, web search, question, etc. And just add this, save changes, and you're good to go. Now let's quickly navigate back to n8n, and you can see method will be post, so we can post a message. Path will be ElevenLabs. You can change this to whatever you want. You can see identification will be none, and respond will be using respond to webhook. This is very important, because otherwise it's not going to actually output it back. As you can see, let's quickly move on, and here's the source, what we're sending to this if node later. As you can see, source webhook. I'm going to leave this down below as well, so you can just copy this for me. And this edit fields, as you can see, manual mapping and body task, and just drag this from down here. You can see, send an email to example@gmail.com with the subject important and the body, this is Rico. Just copy, just drag this inside this box. And I'm going to show you later as well how you can change this to actual as well. So now let's quickly move on. As you can see, and then we're going to send all the information to the personal AI agent. And you can see, source of prompt will be defined below. Prompt user message. This one will be dragged from the edit fields one node, and this one just type inside here, because then we can get the information from the Telegram as well. And you can see down here is the system message as well. I'll leave this down below as well, so you can just copy this from me. Now let's quickly move on. As you can see, for the chat model, we are just using this OpenAI chat model, GPT-4.1 Nano. Here you can see GPT-4.1 Nano, because this is very cheap and efficient. And you can see for the memory, we are just using this simple memory. Here you can see we got these two keys here. These two are same what we have this inside this personal AI agent. Just copy these two and navigate back to simple memory and just paste them inside this. And let's quickly move on. I can see, and I have added this think tool as well. If you need to do some thinking, we have this opportunity. And we have this Gmail sub agent as well. If you need to send some emails or delete emails or label emails, we have everything here inside this sub agent. I'm going to show you as well. You can see here's the sub agent. I will leave this video down below as well. How you can build this one for yourself. So let's quickly move on. And we have this tab list community note here as well. As you can see, tool description we set automatically, resource search, operation query, and these two are same what we have inside the personal AI agent. Just copy all these. I will leave this video down below as well, how you can set it up. So now let's quickly move on. You can see, and here we have this if node where we are basically routing all the important information. Here you can see ElevenLabs trigger, item.json, .webhook. This is dragged from the first ElevenLabs trigger, and we're going to just drag this from this webhook URL and just inside here and just change this to exist as well. So when it's going to exist, it's going to go to this through branch, and if we get a Telegram message, it's not true, so it's going to route it to this false branch. So I'm going to quickly show this respond to webhook as well. As you can see, respond with first incoming message. So now I'm going to show this output message as well. Here you can see, and resource will be message, operation will be send message, chat ID is dragged from the first Telegram trigger. Just drag this inside this box, chat ID, and text is dragged from this previous personal agent node. And reply markup will be none, and append n8n attribution. This is got from here. You should see this append n8n attribution here, and just turn this off, because otherwise it's going to show that the message was sent with the n8n. So as you can see, let's quickly close this. And as you can see, just like that, you can build yourself a dynamic AI agent that can take voice messages, text messages from Telegram, and active read conversations from the ElevenLabs. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.